Are you tired of feeling like your best days are behind you? Do you wish there was something you could do to help improve your overall health and reclaim your youthful vigor? Imagine if there was a simple, inexpensive natural oil that could help cleanse your body, restore your vitality, and even boost your sexual health without the need for medication. What if I told you that oil actually exists and it has been used for centuries to help people just like you live healthier, more fulfilling lives? For men over 60, toxin buildup doesn't just cause fatigue, poor sleep, or bloating. It silently erodes the masculine strength you once had. You might not expect it, but symptoms like low libido, erectile dysfunction, dull skin, bad breath, and constant aches can often be traced back to an overloaded liver and intestines and lymphatic system. When your body can't detoxify properly, every effort to improve your health or sexual performance becomes far less effective. Research published in the Journal of Naturopathic Medicine shows that castor oil, a remedy your grandmother may have sworn by, can reactivate the lymphatic system, support liver function, improve blood circulation, and even stimulate natural testosterone production. For men over 60, this can be a vital step toward regaining the flexibility, vigor, and confidence you deserve. But here's the key. Most people don't know how to use castor oil correctly. That's why today Dr. William Harris, will share a simple at-home method to help cleanse your body and restore the masculine energy you thought was gone. Before we dive in, Eileen's explain why men over 60 accumulate toxins more easily and why proper detoxification, the foundation for renewed vitality, sexual health, and overall wellness. Now, if this is your first time here, subscribe and turn on the notification bell to won't miss future tips designed specifically for men over 60. As we age, our bodies become less efficient at eliminating toxins. The digestive system slows, the liver becomes less active, and the lymphatic system grows sluggish, allowing waste to build up in the blood, intestines, and fat tissue. This buildup doesn't just cause fatigue, insomnia, bloating, and constipation. It directly lowers testosterone, the hormone that drives vitality, sexual performance, and desire. When the liver is congested and the lymphatic system stagnant, the body enters a state of chronic inflammation. This can be the hidden cause of erectile dysfunction, reduced sex drive, and even depression in later life. Regular detox, especially through safe natural methods, is the first step in restoring energy flow and masculinity. One of the simplest and most overlooked tools for this is castor oil. Now, you may have heard about castor oil before, but did you know that it has been used for centuries to help improve overall health and well-being? Castor oil extracted from the seeds of the castor plant is a powerful natural remedy that can help improve blood circulation, reduce inflammation, and eliminate toxins from the body. And while it's commonly known as a laxative, its benefits go much further than that. Castor oil is rich in a compound called ricinoleic acid, which gives it several unique properties. Firstly, it is a potent anti-inflammatory agent, which means it can help reduce inflammation throughout the body, including the joints, muscles, and even the liver. This can lead to a decrease in pain and discomfort, making it easier to move around and enjoy life. Secondly, castor oil, a powerful antioxidant, which means it can help protect the body against damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can contribute to aging and disease. So by reducing their presence in the body, castor oil can help promote overall health and longevity. Now, these properties make castor oil an ideal natural remedy for a wide range of ailments, from arthritis to constipation and everything in between. But perhaps most importantly for men over 60, castor oil can help improve testosterone levels. You see, as men age, testosterone production naturally declines, which can lead to symptoms like fatigue, low libido, and decreased muscle mass. However, Research has shown that castor oil can help stimulate the production of luteinizing hormone, which in turn stimulates the testicles to produce more testosterone. In fact, one study published in the International Journal of Basic Applied and Innovative Research found that castor oil massage significantly increased serum testosterone levels in infertile males. So, if you are a man over 60 who is looking to improve your sexual health and overall vitality, then it may be worth giving castor oil a try. But that's not all. Castor oil also offers some other unique benefits for men over 60. It can help improve skin health, reduce stress, and alleviate digestive issues. Let's take a closer look at each of these benefits. Skin health. As we age, our skin takes a real beating. It becomes drier, thinner, and more prone to wrinkles and age spots. But castor oil can help. Its anti-inflammatory properties can reduce redness and irritation, while its antimicrobial properties can help fight off acne-causing bacteria. Plus, castor oil is packed with antioxidants that can help protect the skin from environmental damage. By incorporating castor oil into your daily skincare routine, you can help keep your skin looking youthful and healthy. Stress reduction. Let's face it, we all get stressed out from time to time. But too much stress can be harmful to both our physical and mental health. Fortunately, castor oil can help. Its relaxing and calming properties can help soothe the mind and body, reducing feelings of anxiety and tension. Simply massaging castor oil onto your temples, or even taking a hot bath with a few drops of castor oil can help you unwind and relax after a long day. Digestive issues. As we age, our digestive systems can become less efficient, leading to problems like constipation, indigestion, and bloating. But castor oil can help in a couple of ways. Firstly, its natural laxative properties can help keep things moving smoothly through your digestive system. Secondly, castor oil can help stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, which can aid in the breakdown and absorption of nutrients. While castor oil is generally safe for most people when used topically or orally in small amounts, it's important to keep in mind a few precautions. Firstly, castor oil, a powerful laxative, so it's important to use it sparingly when taken orally. Excessive use can lead to dehydration and electrolyte imbalance. Secondly, castor oil can cause skin irritation in some cases, so it is always a good idea to test a small amount on your skin before applying it more broadly. Additionally, castor oil should not be used on broken or irritated skin, and it is important to note that castor oil is not a substitute for professional medical advice or treatment. If you have any underlying health conditions or concerns, it's always best to speak with your doctor before using castor oil or any other natural remedies. So now that you know the benefits and precautions of castor oil, it is time to learn how to use it effectively for men over 60. Here is a simple yet powerful technique that can help you maximize the benefits of castor oil for cleansing your body and improving your overall health. We'll break it down into 4 simple steps. Step No. 1. Gather your materials. You'll need pure cold-pressed castor oil, a thin cotton cloth like muslin, or an old t-shirt, and a warm towel or heating pad. Step number 2. Soak the cloth in castor oil. Take your cotton cloth and immerse it in the castor oil. Make sure the cloth is fully saturated, but not so much that it's dripping. Step No. 3. Apply the cloth to your liver. Lie down in a comfortable position and place the cloth over your upper right abdomen just below the ribs. This area corresponds to your liver. If you're lying down, make sure to slightly elevate your upper body using a pillow. Step number 4. Relax and let the castor oil work its magic. Cover the cloth with a warm towel or heating pad if you like, and relax for 30 to 45 minutes. This will help the castor oil penetrate deeper into your skin and tissues. For best results, it's recommended to do this at least 2 to 3 times per week. And remember, consistency is key. In addition to castor oil liver packs, consider incorporating other natural remedies and lifestyle changes to support your overall health and well-being. For example, you could start your day with a glass of warm water and lemon juice to aid digestion and boost your immune system. Or you could try a daily supplement of probiotics to improve gut health and support your immune system. You might also want to consider practicing yoga or other forms of gentle exercise to improve flexibility and reduce stress. Remember, small changes can make a big difference, and by incorporating these simple tips into your daily routine, you can support your body's natural detoxification processes and improve your overall health and well-being. Will you try this 7-day detox plan? I'd love to hear from you. Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an episode. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay healthy and strong.